Tired of internet speed slower than a snail in molasses? Let's dive into the Verizon versus mobile home internet showdown. First up, availability. Head to the Verizon and Tmobile websites and punch in your address. See which one, or maybe even both, offer service at your location. This is the most crucial first step. Verizon generally uses 5G ultra wideband where available, offering potentially blazing fast speeds. But it's not everywhere yet. If you see it offered, you're in luck for speed. Mobile, on the other hand, uses a wider range of 5G and 4G LTE, making it available in more locations, but its speeds can be a bit more variable depending on your area. Next, let's talk speed. Verizon often boasts higher potential speeds, frequently exceeding 300 Mbps, but real-world results can vary. Run a speed test with your current internet to see what you currently get. Mobile tends to offer speeds in the 50 to 100 Mbps range, which is still plenty for most households, but might struggle with heavy streaming or multiple users. Price. This is where things get interesting. Both carriers often offer promotional pricing, especially if you bundle with their mobile phone plans. Check the fine print. Compare the monthly costs, including taxes and fees, and see which one fits your budget better. Don't forget to factor in potential long-term contracts or price increases after the promotional period. Ultimately, the best carrier for you depends on availability, speed requirements, and your budget. Do your research, read reviews, and see which one comes out on top for your needs. Happy streaming!